night po, we launched our new Isuzu D-Max 2024 RG14 Samoa. What can you say about that, Leo?
Sobrang nai-excite ako, partner. Kasi ngayon, makikita na po natin ang bagong Isuzu D-Max. At balita ko, partner, meron tayong mga i-release na mga bagong units sa ating mga customers. Congratulations po.
Wow, we will have our first clients who will drive our all-new Isuzu D-Max. Of course, before we unveil our units, we would like to thank our guests for today who come to be with us and some of our valued corporate clients like Unilever Philippines, Globe Telecom, MDC, and Oryx. To official welcome us, may we call our sales manager, Miss Jackie Danes.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Isuzu Alabang. Welcome to our event and we are delighted to have you here with us today. So huwag na po natin itong patagalin. Enjoy the program.
Yes, Isuzu D-Max into new heights from most durable and reliable pickup in town. Our Isuzu D-Max is now one of the most stylish pickup.
Kaya nga, partner, sobrang ganda. Kung nakita nyo yung video natin, sobrang nakaka-thrill. Tumataas balahibo ko dito, partner.
Yes, nakaka-excite. Of course, to know more about our new features and technical specs, may we call our product trainer, Sir John Valderio, for a short presentation lang naman po.
Okay, yan. So, magandang umaga po. Welcome sa mga guests natin dito sa Isuzu Alabang. Of course, I will not take too long for this presentation. So, let me inform you that for the 2024 all-new Isuzu D-Max, we currently have 12 variants. So, meron po kayong 12 variants to choose from. We have our standard or base model, our light pickup truck. We also have our lifestyle advance, our mid variants, and of course, our top of the line, the LSE lifestyle exclusive variants. You might be wondering, anong nadagdag dyan? We now offer Isuzu D-Max LSE 4x2 automatic. So we now will be offering in the market not only a 4x4 LSE, but also a 4x2 top-of-the-line automatic, which, of course, kompleto po yan. It has the ADAS, Advanced Driver Assist System features, all the active safety features, including the 360 around view monitor, digital video recorder, wireless charger, as well as wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Not only that, we are also offering LSA Plus variants. So yung LSA Plus variants po natin, this LSA Plus variants will now also include a round view monitor, digital video recorder, wireless charger, as well as yung ating wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So lahat po yan nasa LSA Plus variants natin. And yung hinahanap ng mga tao na differential lock, e-differential lock, para kung sakasakaling enthusiast po tayo ng tinatawag natin na off-roading, it is now available in all of our LSE 4x4 automatic variants, LSA 4x4 manual, plus as well as LSA 4x4 manual variants, including a rough terrain mode switch. So all of this are all included. Now, I would like to inform you that our sales executives are all knowledgeable about these added features. Hindi ko na po papatagalin. I will be turning it over to Diane as well as to Leo. And I will be here also if you have questions. So that kung meron po kayong gustong i-confirm about the features, about the inclusions in our units, you can always approach me. Yan. So for the unveiling, and later on, I'll still present, nandito po si Leo and of course Diane. Thank you, Diane, and thank you, Leo. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Sir John, for that wonderful presentation po.
Partner, ngayon na ang tamang time para i-unveil na natin ang bagong D-Max. Excited na ba kayong lahat? Yes, yan. Ako, excited na. Partner, ano ba yung nagustuhan mong bagong feature ni Isuzu D-Max?
Kagabi parang nagustuhan ko yung 360 camera niya, partner. Kasi syempre, lalo na ako, pagka nagdadrive ng malalaki, importante sa akin, kita ko lahat ng sides. At malaking tulong yung 360 camera.
Totoo, partner. Ako gustong-gusto ko yung, meron siyang aerodynamics. So, yung aerodynamics na yun, yung sa pagdating sa gulong, hindi na natin siya maririnig sa loob. Malay din natin, fuel efficiency rin yun, di ba?
Wow, partner.
Diba?
Parang mas maganda kung makikita natin yan in person.
Totoo,
Excited na ba
partner.
kayong lahat? Parang hindi pa. Excited na ba kayong lahat? So let's
Yes.
begin the countdown.
Yes.
3,
2, 1. So this is our Isuzu D-Max. Diba sobrang stylish, partner?
Yes! Wow! And our...
I would like to inform you na dito po, na bago na rin ang ating headlights. As you can see, our bi-LED curtain headlights. You will see that our daytime running light is now on top. And together with that, there's also a light for our turn signal. So yan po ay equipped sa ating mga LSE and 4x4 LSA MT Plus and LSA MT 4x4. Yan. And you will also notice yung ating brand new design ng 18-inch alloy rims. These are of course dark gray metallic for all our mid variants as well as top of the line. So yan po, same ang kanilang mga wheels and tires for the LSA mid variant, LSA plus mid variant, as well as our LSE top of the line. Yan. Thank you. And if you will be going sa likod, makikita nyo po yung 3D or 3-dimensional wing design ng ating rear combination lights. Now let me just remind our guests, yung LSE variants po natin, 4x2, 4x4, it is equipped with a rear fog light. So marami po kasi minsan nagtatanong sa akin, tumatawag din, John, hindi ba busted yung ilaw nung reverse lights sa driver's side? Hindi po. It is really designed that the driver's side rear light, yung light po ng reverse is a rear fog light. So talagang Euro style po yung design nun. That's why baka may magtanong pagka nagre-reverse. Yan. Now, you will also notice when you walk around and you check on our units, it is now on a Miura Ori interior design. So this gives a fine interior. When you search Miura Ori, it is a zigzag design that would show fine interior sa ating mga Isuzu D-Max. Yan, yung feeling ng premium. What's new? We have a 7-inch instrument multi-information display sa ating instrument panel. That's for our LSE top-of-the-line variants. Now, meron din tayong 4.2 for our LSA Plus and LSA variants, and 3.5 monochrome for our standard variants. Now, entertainment system. I know we have a good entertainment system. Why? Because user-friendly po siya. If you see the function buttons incorporated already in the screens, LSE variants as well as LSA Plus, they are on a 10.1-inch infotainment system, while for our mid LSA variants, 9 inches. So dito po, makikita nyo, Sir Leo, yan, para makita nila. Once you actually check on our entertainment system, yung function is already available at the home screen. Easy transitioning na po. So we have, of course, our clock, the navigation, 360 around view monitor settings, your phone connection, audio, as well as the clinometer. Clinometer will give you data on, of course, your direction. There's a compass for your pitching and rolling also, yung inyong mga D-Max kapag nag-off-road kayo, it will give you the data and info. And for our 9-inch, sa mga LSA mid variants, it is also easy to use because at the home screen, available na po ang ating mga functions. Yan. Wireless charging. Yan. Bakit mabilis mag-charge sa wireless charger ng Isuzu D-Max? It is on a 3-coil FOD, Foreign Object Detection. In case may iba pong nakapatong dun sa wireless charging area, it will indicate and blink red fast, rapid blinking. If you put your phone and it turns green, it is now charging. If there's no light, ibig sabihin po, it's not turned on. But remember, this would only work if the doors are closed. So pagka nakabukas ang pinto, nilagay mo ang inyong cellphone doon, hindi po siya magpa-function because the doors need to be closed. Cable-free ang ating wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So no need to get your cables and plug it in. Wireless na po ang ating connection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is something new, although we have the rear cross traffic alert. Dati po, pag umatras kayo, i-alert kayo through ADAS via, of course, the side view mirror. The light would lit on and there will be a beeping sound. Ngayon po, meron na tayong dinagdag, yung rear cross traffic brake. If you happen to be on reverse and na-detect na may parating, either sides or both sides, if hindi ka naka-react for braking, it will stop your vehicle para hindi ka mabangga habang umaatras. So that's for our LSE variants, the rear cross traffic brake. And everybody wants a full view of the vehicle. Wala na pong blind spots because there's a 360 around view monitor. So you will see cameras up front, you will see cameras on your side view mirrors, left and right, and you will also see, of course, a camera at the back. For all angles, first in class to have a blind spot turn assist. Even when you're turning, kapag luminiko po kayo, the camera will focus on the side that you are actually turning to. Yan. Nagtatanong, pwede ba magpakabit ng dashcam? No need. Why? Because incorporated is the digital video recorder. It records your journey. It is equipped with a 64 gigabyte na SD card. Continuous recording for 11 hours, and it records every 2 minutes, 150 to 300 MB, which is also downloadable. So, in case you would want to upgrade and make it a 256 gigabyte, of course that's your option. You can also download the file, you can view, you can select a full play, a split playback for the digital video recording. Yan. So, first in class po yan. And of course, the differential lock, electronic differential lock, which ensures that when you are off-road, it gives, of course, both sides ng wheels ng power. Not only that, it also is equipped with a rough terrain mode feature. So it provides traction even if you're using your 4x4 driving system. Yan. So yan po yung mga added sa ating mga all-new Isuzu D-Max. Plus, of course, we have our Smart Duo Cam. Yung Smart Duo Cam po na yan, the difference with mono cameras is it can read 3D objects regardless of shapes. So, unlike mono cameras that shapes, entered patterns, yun lang po ang nababasa niya. But with this one, it works accurately in the real world conditions. So kung may obstruction po sa harap, kitang-kita ng Smart Duo Cam, ADAS features will also help you in your journey. And lastly, it is still equipped with a very powerful engine, our 4JJ3 TCX engine, 190 PS of output and power, and 450 Newton meter of torque. So, ano pa pong hinihintay natin? You can now, of course, view our units. Our sales executives are here to assist you and will be here to guide you. And if you have questions, feel free to ask all of us. Yan. So, maraming salamat, Diane. Maraming salamat, Leo. Mga guests, welcome po sa Isuzu Alabang and happy Friday morning. Yan. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir John.
Daming bago.
Congratulations, sir. Dito na lang po. Together, please, photo opportunity with our bosses. Miss Joy Salameda, our branch manager, our GSM, Mr. JV Lopez, and our sales manager, Miss Lucy Vergara. Yan. Okay, let's have a
Hey everyone, thank you for watching the video. But before we end the video, gusto ko lang magpasalamat kay Ma'am Sarah. Siya yung nag-invite sa akin, kinontak niya ako sa Facebook, kaya tayo nakapunta dito.
So, should you have any questions or clarifications, you may contact me at 0917-125-9216 or you may email us at pinero.sl@isuzualabang.com. See you here at Isuzu Alabang Showroom.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching!
Hey everyone, thank you for watching the video. Wait. Ano yun? Sasabihin ko. Thank you very much. Ayaw magpapa